Hey guys, what's going on? Today we're opening up a brand new Hot Wheels 6-car set based on the animated movie Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse. Number 1 out of 6 is the Hot Wheels car Cockney Cab 2 based on the iconic character Spider-Man. Number 2 from Into the Spider-Verse is the Hot Wheels Dakar based on Miles Morales. Number 3 out of 6 in this set is the Hot Wheels The Vanster based on Spider-Ham. Number 4 from the Spider-Verse is a white Hot Wheels The Governor based on the Spider Suit. Number 5 is the Hot Wheels HW Pursuit based on the character Spider-Gwen. And number 6 out of 6 from Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse is the Hot Wheels Arachnarod. So there we have all 6 sticky Spider-Man cars from the new Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse series. If you want to see more Hot Wheels unboxing videos, be sure to subscribe here at HotDiecast Garage. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next Hot Wheels video.